Hello guys, and we're going to be doing another reaction video with me, Boo, and with my buddy Drybones. Say hi, Drybones. Good! So we're going to be watching SMG4, Mario Wants Some Milk from the fridge, I think. Yeah. And before we start, I'd like to recommend to watch SMG4's video first. And we're only going to watch half of it, so we don't need So like that's another reason to watch his video. So yeah, and I guess subscribe to him and subscribe to me. Yeah. So with that said, get your milk. I guess if you don't already have it, and let's watch this video. The milk's empty, dry bones. And well, it says milk and he's eating spaghetti. Oh, now he wants milk. Wait, I'm sorry. So first off, a lot has happened. First, I don't think you drink milk with spaghetti. I'm just thinking about that. Do you drink milk with spaghetti, Raybones? Glad your couch agrees too. What the heck? But yeah, and he went through the fridge. And he's out of the fridge. I showing question. This is SMG4 we're talking about. No more Milky. The grocery store. You don't have money though. Oh, Toadsworth. Bye bye, Toadsworth. I'm about to say, like, we don't see Toadsworth as much. Well, I guess he's dead again. Well, actually, we seen him that one time with Bob. So never mind that, because I'm wrong. I don't think he's supposed to park there. Oh, surely, does he still have special powers? Well, tell me you have a good reason for doing that, Mario. Okay, you wanted to ask him until he had to climb this ladder. Okay, another question. Why is the milk not in, like, one of those freezers? Like, I don't know, maybe it's just the store I go to or something, but that's weird that the milk is out. Wouldn't be surprised Mario gets sick from it. Lucky day. I don't think you're lucky. Wait, that was Toad's arm? Wait. That's Toad's arm? Looks like, kind of like my arm, kind of. Well, I've had opposable thumbs, but I don't know, it looks like Master Hand, kind of. Should have been Master's Hand or something, I don't know. But it's Toad. Sorry about that, I had to get my milk right here. And, to be honest, Mario looks angry, but Toad just looks like he's just not having a day. Like, that's like every other day, I guess, for Toad. And now he's humping him. What is going on? I was... Okay. Hey, it's Donkey Kong, the main man. Okay, well, Mario looks like you're gonna see some expand dong. Right, Joe Bones? Right, Joe Bones? I don't know what happened to you, Joe Bones. You're just standing there doing nothing. Yeah, look at me when I say you're doing nothing. Go get my cup. Where's I'm gonna milk now? Maybe from a cow. Oh, wait. Never think about that. Where are they gonna get milk from? So they're probably gonna do something suggestive. Toad is gonna kill me. Okay, now he looks scared. Luigi's part of the... Wait. Yeah, Luigi's part of some milk company now. Makes sense. Wait, Draymond, don't you tank me? No, wait. That's tissue. I haven't seen that face for Luigi. Rope. Isn't the rope not gonna reach though because he's faster than you? Oh, he's gonna stop, of course. Because Luigi's such a nice boy. Oh my god. I just love the eyes you could see on their Toad's scared eyes. He's like... I can't take that. I can't take that seriously. I'm obviously not forced to take it seriously. It's MG4, I guess. Oh, wait. I thought it was around him. No, it was in his butt. Wait, suddenly Toad's Toad can hold on for dear life, I guess. What did he say? Couldn't hear him because he was so quiet. There was all the milk. Oh my god. Oh no, my milk. Hey Luigi, got milk? Oh no, I'm talking now. I can't really see it from my setup. It's hard to see like the bomb text. They're gonna fire me. Doesn't Mario owe Luigi a lot of money? Or is it like Luigi owes him like $1 or a coin? Why don't we go to... Can you hear me? Delivering milk. Wait, oh, he's talking? I can't see him talk. I'm gonna move the thing. But yeah, I can't see because of my setup. So I didn't know if he's saying a joke or not. So how long has it been? I guess another minute. Mario's robbing them. As the new milkman, I did not realize Toad's creepy smile there. Sorry for the frantic movement. I'm just seeing if I can try to see like the text because of like my setup. Can you fix it or something? Good. Yeah, looks like it's just gonna be me now, boys. Yeah. You know what? I'm not gonna read the text. I'm not. So no guns. That is weird. Like, wasn't it like, didn't Mario say we'd beat Bob with a bat? Now Toad's like, man, let's not do any violence. Nah. Now he's gonna do what whoever said like no violence. Oh, an ad. I don't know if I'm gonna add this or not. I don't know. Isn't Avatar like that one movie that no one liked? Like the blue people? I think it's that, like, the blue people that no one liked. Like the aliens and like humans were evil, like the cliche, like humans are always evil. What? Why? Why did it get harder? You would think it would get harder over spaghetti, not milk. Well, can I make an adult joke? I guess you should already know. Of course. Bola? Oh, it is him. Not him. I like how he's crouched back even though he's a fork. Doesn't that mean he's like gonna be bent over like forever? Oh wow, so not the blue. I found these guys spying. Why does he have a hammer? My milk? Milk thieves? I'm sorry, I don't get what was happening. Wasn't he giving him the milk? And then, I guess because of the spies, he just... Oh wow. Packaging machine. Sexy. Oh my god, he's in Minecraft now. I guess this is where I'm gonna end the episode, maybe. 4 more seconds. Stay back. Baby milk? Don't they have like hundreds of those? Toad's evil. This is why I love him. That's all I needed to see. So guys, if you like this reaction, make sure to like and subscribe, and remember to watch MSMG4's video, or his video, not, because this is not mine. And you can actually watch the other 5 minutes. And yeah, make sure to like his video, subscribe to him, and subscribe to me. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Milk.